Let's discuss about a singly linked list. In the previous lecture, we already discussed about the linked list, the basic of linked list, the representation of linked list in a memory and so on. And today, let's see the first type of linked list, and that is called as a singly linked list. There are total 4 types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list and circular doubly linked list. We discuss all these 4 types of linked list in a 4 different lectures. So today we are going to discuss about what is meant by singly linked list and how to represent singly linked list. Okay, so let's start from what is meant by singly linked list. So singly linked list contains 2 buckets in a one node. So what is meant by node? In the previous lecture we discussed about what is node. A collection of objects, it is called as a node. So node can be represented like this. So this is a node, and a linked list, a singly linked list contains 2 buckets in a one node. That means there are 2 partition in a single node, that is called as a 2 buckets. So a singly linked list contains 2 buckets in one node. One bucket holds the data and the other bucket holds the address of next node. So this is a next or link to the next node. So that is called as a singly linked list. A singly linked list contains 2 buckets in a one node. The first bucket means one bucket holds the data and the second bucket, other bucket, holds the address of the next node. Now let's see how to connect multiple nodes in a linked list. So let's consider the number of nodes here. This is node 1, then node 2 and this is node 3. Okay, let's name it. For example, this is node 1, node 2 and node 3. Now each node contains 2 buckets. Okay, so the first bucket we can call it as a data and the second one is a next. Next means it is a pointer variable which points to the address of next node. Again for the second node same, this is data and this is next. Again for this node 3, here is a data and next. Okay, now the first node of the linked list is called as a head or start. The first node of the linked list is called as a head or start node of the linked list, and the last node of the linked list is called as a tail or end node of the linked list. Okay, so this is simple. Now the first node next points to the address of node 2, means the node 2 address is stored into node 1 next. Okay, node 3 address is stored into the next of node 2. So it forms a sequence and that's why it is called as a linked list. Now for the last node, there is no any node connected to the last node. So the next of the last node, that is a null value. Means there is no any address stored for any other node. That's why the next of node 3, the last node of the linked list, is null. Now let's see the similar example of this. So again I am going to create 4 nodes. This is node 1, then node 2, node 3 and this is node 4 and so on. You can create multiple nodes as you want. Again each node is divided into buckets. Each node contains 2 buckets, or we can call it as a partition. The first bucket is a data, for example 5, 10, 15 and 20. This is a data, and the second bucket is a pointer to the next node. That means this is a node 1, 2, 3 and 4. Node 2 address is stored into the node 1 next. Okay, so node 1 next points to the address of next node. Node 2 next points to the address of node 3. Node 3 next point to the address of node 4. Okay, and the last node, that is node 4, there is no any other node linked to the node 4. That's why this value is null. Okay, again same, the first node of the linked list is called as a head or start, and the last node of the linked list is called as a tail or end. Okay, again all the buckets, the first bucket is called as a data. This is data, this is next, again this is data, this is next. In the same way, data, next, and again data, next. Okay, now here if we want to write down this in a example program, so we have to create one node. For example, you can use class or structure. So here class node, for example, opening curly bracket, then use the access modifier, that is public, and then the node contains two partitions or two buckets. The first bucket is a data, so for example it is of integer type, and the second bucket is a pointer to the next node. So next is a pointer variable which points to the address of next node, and then end of curly bracket, and then end with semicolon. So in this way we can create a linked list, a singly linked list. Now here one thing you have to always remember about a single linked list, that a traversal can be done in one direction only. Means if we are at node 1, then we go to node 2, then node 3 and node 4. But if we want to traverse from node 4 to node 3, then it is not possible. Okay, if we want to traverse from node 3 to the node 2, then it is again not possible. So traversal can be done in one direction only, as there is only a single link between two nodes of the same list. Between two nodes there is a single link. That's why we can traverse in one direction only. So this is all about a singly linked list. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this topic or any other topic, then let me know in the comment section.